Nell and Christina, those two girls, came out here to Walt Disney World. It says there's someone missing, someone we all should see. And then they introduced us to Flat Tiffany. Flat Tiffany, that girl we know. She's got a cup in her hand and an arrow and a bow. Everybody at Disney World agrees, if you can't have the real thing, we'll have Flat Tiffany. She's got the Mickey Mouse ears. Maybe we'll see the real Tiffany next year. Now we're gonna have to do with what's here next to me. The cutest girl at Disney World, Flat Tiffany. Flat Tiffany, they're fun if you got 'em. Turn Flat Tiffany around and we found Donald Duck signed her bottom. That'd be embarrassing if it was me. But it's cool, you see, because she's awesome as can be. Everyone, including Donald Duck, loves Flat Tiffany. Hey, real Tiffany, we miss you. Next time, I hope you'll be, well, taller, not as flat. Our Flat Tiffany.